On Agenda, we love to discuss issues which affect young people, and one shocking story that has emerged in the last few days has been the Bihar exam results. Yet again, the topper has been suspect and is under arrest because instead of being someone who would have recently passed out of school, it turned out to be a 40-year-old who's been put under arrest. It brought back memories of what happened last year as well, with Ruby Rai also being arrested as being someone whose credentials just didn't add up. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar today has said it's a few Biharis who are spoiling the name of the entire state, but it still doesn't explain why is it that more than 60% of those appearing for the Bihar state boards in class 12 have failed. On the show, we'll be talking with the spokesperson of the government about this and also hearing from the whistleblower of many exams, Dr. Anand Rai. He'll be joining us as well. But first, let's just take a look at what the Chief Minister said.
ये पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन चलेगा, देखिए इसके अंदर और कुछ जो निकलेगा तो सब के सब पर कार्रवाई होगी.
The Chief Minister Nitish Kumar there saying that there will be a probe. However, when NDTV tried to get the Education Minister to give some more details of what they had found ever since they arrested that state topper this time, he wasn't available at all. So who we have is Ajay Alok, a spokesperson for the Janata Dal United government in Bihar. We also have radio jockey from popular radio jockey in Patna, Shruti, and of course the whistleblower of the Vyapam scam. He's also recently talked about the leaks that have taken place in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences entrance exam. That's the most elite medical school you can get into. And as Anand Rai exposed that the Lucknow Center had already got the exam papers before it had started as well. The Health Minister has said that they will be probing that. So there are all kinds of cases and scams that are linked to exams. And remember, top investigating agencies like the CBI are probing what is it and how school children are involved in exam scams. Before we get to the government spokesperson, I just wanted to ask Anand Rai, Dr. Anand Rai, what do you think is happening in Bihar? Because if you look at the data, it is very, very worrying. This year, 37% is the pass percentage. Last year, it was 62.19%. And in 2015, it was 87.45%. So we are seeing a very quick decline in the pass percentages. Dr. Rai, what do you think is happening?
देखिए, पूरा जो बिहार है, उत्तर प्रदेश है, यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है. पढ़ने वाले बच्चे बहुत बड़ी संख्या में, जिनको हम सॉल्वर बोलते हैं, तो सॉल्वर भी बिहार से आते हैं और वहाँ पर एक क्राइम करने की प्रवृत्ति है. कहीं न कहीं मैंने देखा है कि लोग क्राइम करने से डरते नहीं है बिहार में. चाहे वो नीट यूजी का मामला, अभी आपने देखा करीब 7 तारीख का मामला है. 15 दिन तक वहाँ के अखबारों में फ्रंट पेज की खबरें दी है और मनु महाराज जी इसकी जांच भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी तक न तो 4 मोबाइल का फॉरेंसिक रिपोर्ट अभी तक आया, न जो ट्रंक टूटा था उसकी जानकारी आई. ऐसे ही आप देखेंगे कि जो एम्स का जो पेपर अभी लीक हुआ है, उसके विचार कहीं न कहीं बिहार से जुड़े हैं. और एक और इम्पोर्टेंट बात आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि नेट पीजी का जो घोटाला है, उसमें जो मेन सरगना है वो भी बिहार से है और हाल ही में उसने अभी एमडी रेडियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में एडमिशन भी ले लिया है. तो जो जांच एजेंसी है वो उनको त्वरित इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना चाहिए और जल्द से जल्द ऐसे जो चीटर्स हैं, जो रैकेटियर हैं, उनको सिस्टम से बाहर निकालना होगा. नहीं तो जो पढ़ने वाले जो छात्र हैं उनमें कहीं न कहीं मैसेज जाता है कि सिर्फ चीटिंग से या पैसा देकर या मेडिकल कॉलेज या इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में सेलेक्ट हो सकते.
जी, so many people, आपने इतने लोगों का नाम लिया, people who have been exposed with their origin being from Bihar, who have been involved with various scams and exams. Before I ask Ajay Alok to just respond to some of them and tell us what's happening there, how the state is looking at it, because it's obviously a huge source of concern. I just want to go to 2 students in the audience that we have over here, agenda audience that we have over here, 2 students who are from Bihar. and they say they have first-hand knowledge of how it all takes place. You want to tell us how it happens?
I am a student of Bihar board in 2014. My college is Pulav Yadav College, which is situated at Triveniganj block of Supor district. What they do is they take 100 rupees for 28 marks in practical out of 30, and it is open-handed.
Where in your college?
In my college, and it is situated at Triveniganj, Bihar. So who is responsible for this system? वो बच्चे जिनका ये साल खराब हो गया, वो उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन है? यहाँ पर बच्चे सुसाइड करें, इससे अच्छा है कि वहाँ के जो 12 साल से वहाँ के सीएम है, चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, ये टाइम है कि वो नीतीश कुमार को सुसाइड कर लेना चाहिए कि वो शिक्षा व्यवस्था को उन्होंने बिल्कुल खोखला कर दिया है। और जो वहाँ पर
बहुत ही ओपनली पीपल आस्क।
जी हाँ, ओपनली मेरे पास ऐसे वीडियोज हैं, मैंने बनाए हुए हैं चुपके से वो वीडियो। अब मैं खुलेआम बोल रहा हूँ टीवी पर कि ऐसे वीडियोज बनाए हुए हैं, और मैंने खुद 100 रुपये देकर 28 नंबर लिया है। मैंने इस पर कंप्लेन भी किया था, लेकिन वो कंप्लेन मैटरलाइज हो गया था। तो वो 100 रुपये लेते हैं और 28 नंबर देते हैं। अगर आप कॉपी भी लेकर के जाएंगे, मैंने अपनी स्कूलिंग देहरादून से की है, तो मैं कॉपी लेके प्रैक्टिकल बना के गया था। गैस पेपर से जो लिख करके ले जाते हैं, एकदम जेल पेन से लिख के मैं लेके गया था। मेरी कॉपी को उन्होंने ऐसे फेंक दिया। मैंने 2 बार बिहार बोर्ड का एग्जाम दिया है, लेकिन मेरे सिर्फ 59% है, और दोनों बार फिजिक्स में 63 नंबर है। तो ये चीज क्या है?
आपने 2 बार, व्हाई डिड यू गिव योर एग्जाम?
क्योंकि मुझे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में एग्जाम लेना था। मैंने आईआईटी की प्रिपरेशन की थी और क्वालिफाई भी किया था। मुझे आईआईटी में जाना था। 60% नहीं आ रहे थे मेरे, और मैंने 60% लाने के लिए मैंने दोबारा एग्जाम दिया, लेकिन फिर से 59% थे। मैंने चैलेंज किया, और चैलेंज में लोगों के नंबर बढ़ते हैं, मेरे पास कॉन्फिडेंस था, तो उसमें मेरे 5-6 नंबर और घट गए। वहां पर एग्जाम्स में एक्स्ट्रा सीट नहीं मिलते हैं कॉपी लिखने के लिए। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन है, और खुलेआम होता है। वो अगर उन्हें पैसे नहीं दो तो वो लोग बोलेंगे पैसे के बिना नंबर नहीं देंगे, जिस बाप को बोलना है बोल दो। मैंने ये कंप्लेंट भी किया हुआ है। तो ये सिचुएशन इस तरह से है। और जैसे कि मेरी बहन एमएससी में पढ़ रही है, उसके 6 महीने लेट एग्जाम हो रहे हैं, तो उसका जो 1 साल बर्बाद होगा, अगर यूपीएससी में 1-1 साल की का महत्व होता है, उसका जुर्माना कौन भरेगा? उसकी जिंदगी जो खराब हो रही है, मेरे जो 1 साल बर्बाद हुए, इसका हर्जाना कौन भरेगा? कौन जिम्मेदार है इसके लिए? मैं क्यों वहां से उठ करके पटना जाऊं पढ़ने के लिए? मैं जो बिहार, एक नेपाल के बॉर्डर पर मेरा घर है, मैं वहां से पटना जाता हूं पढ़ने के लिए। अगर मुझे कोचिंग लेनी है, तो क्यों स्कूल में वो शिक्षा नहीं मिलती है? बिल्डिंग, इमारतें तो बना दी गई है, चोरी वही करता है, खाना वही चुराता है जिसे भूख लगी हो। तो ये शिक्षा के लिए जो खाना बदोश बना दिया गया है वहां के बच्चों को, इसके लिए जिम्मेदार कौन है? 12 साल से रह रहे सीएम सिर्फ नीतीश कुमार।
Do you want to respond to that?
No, another somebody more has question.
Yeah. What did you want to say?
Reply once.
IIT JEE student who got 75 rank in IIT JEE examination. 75 rank. He just got 1 mark in physics. Either the IIT JEE is corrupted, or either the Bihar board is corrupted. A student who got 83 marks in IIT JEE
These are all people who were in your class?
No, he is not in my class.
Right.
Even Benipatti is a prakhand from Madhubani, and he has 4 to 5 schools. One school is in Durgasthan, second is in Akaur. A schooling is from 1st to 8th class, and the school has only 3 teachers.
Yes.
And the schooling is just from 10 to 12, midday meal.
Okay, but that what you're describing is basically a problem of, the facilities not being there. We are talking about the open cheating, which you're talking about, that people being asked to pay for it. Have you also encountered cheating in your school?
No.
You haven't encountered cheating. You're talking about the larger problem that is there of education. So Ajay, Alok, what do you say about this? Because it looks like, if you look at 64% of students failing in class 12 in the Bihar boards, it's obviously a moment of crisis.
I won't say it's a moment of crisis. Let's divide the subject. Let's don't broach everything together. What he's saying, I have a simple question for you.
Yes,
you passed out in 2014.
Yes, sir.
The following year, Ruby Rai happened.
Yes, sir.
In 2015. You said
2016
2015 Ruby Rai happened. Last year what happened? 2016 Ruby Rai happened.
Yes.
And 2015 there were scores in Vaishali.
That's right.
Where people were climbing the stairs to
Those
give the
pictures
chit.
that we've been playing
to give
out
the
of
chit,
people
yeah. So
climbing.
if you passed out in 2014 and you faced all these kind of a problem, and today on the TV when you're saying this, that I wanted to give this, I complained, but it didn't materialize. You could have sent the videos then and there.
Okay, but it's
it
not
could
about
have helped,
him.
but that is not
Ajay,
that is
it's
not an
not
answer
about
to your
him.
question.
I had sent the video.
That is not an answer to your
email to different
That
TV
is not an
channels.
answer to
Okay,
your
I had
question.
called them.
That's
I
one
had
question.
called
I'm
them.
Now
talking about
second
now.
paradigm,
Yeah.
second paradigm of your question is, Nitish Kumar is responsible. Well, he's the chief minister. He is responsible for every wrong what is happening in the state, and he is responsible for every right what has happened in the state. Do you know, when we assumed power in 2005, the problem and challenge were not education. The challenge before this government was how to send people to the school. There were no adequate schools. The dropout rate was 14.2%.
I know. Let's not go back to 2005.
No, I'm coming. I'll just
I'm
be very.
asking
I'll
you.
just be very brief
Okay.
on that. Now, from where this cheating things coming up. Now see, no system in this world can be perfect. You have given me the quantification that what happened to result in 2014,
Yes.
15, 16 and 17 and sharp decline from 82% to 36%. What does this show? There are two categories of schools in Bihar. Number one, which goes through Bihar board. Number two, which goes through CBSE.
I'm talking about the Bihar board results.
And if you see the CBSE, the results are pretty good. It's almost 90%.
No, but that's a private
Now,
school.
now again,
Bihar boards.
in Bihar board also, there are two categories. One Bihar boards, which its runs comprises only of the government schools. Second Bihar board, which gives affiliation to the private schools. Now, the school he was mentioning, it came into our knowledge.
No, I don't think you should get into such details.
So I'm not getting into
going
details.
by the mota figures.
Mota figure is we didn't allow.
Only 37% has
I'm
passed.
not
Why
bothered.
is it?
I'm not bothered. Let this be 0%. Let this be 0% for 1 year, 2 year. Let the student understand that whatever come may be, there won't be cheating at any cost.
But cheating is happening. One second.
यही बात मैं कह रहा हूँ. मैं आ रहा हूँ उस पे.
Ajay
आप कह
Alok
रहे.
ji, cheating is happening.
Cheating
We're
is
seeing it every
no
year.
cheating is. See what happened this year. The topper we are mentioning, we are claiming Ganesh
The
Kumar.
42, yeah.
The Ganesh Kumar.
Yeah.
Ganesh Kumar had no demerits as far as the merit was concerned. But when his name surfaced as a topper list, and we had given the written instruction, there was an instruction that every topper has to be re-verified. So when people looked at him, they couldn't really make it out that he's a 18 years or 24 years guy.
Right.
His age was not coinciding with his looks. So detailed investigation went on, and
First
this
of
is
all, why
again.
should a 24-year-old be taking
Yes, yes. Again, this is the same government which has declared him the topper. We defended him for 2 days that there is no harm in his merit, but because he has surfaced his age as wrong, because he had appeared earlier way back in 1990.
Yes.
And then again he didn't change his father's name, he changed his name. From Ganesh Ram, he became Ganesh Kumar. And when
So are you saying the fact that we are spotting these people?
Yeah,
is
we are
good
spotting.
enough?
We have to continue
No, but
improving
what are you
the
doing
system.
to fix the?
See,
What are you doing about
I'm
that?
telling you one thing. I'll give you one short example today my chief minister quoted. I think you should all know. In Tamil Nadu, there was a post and telegraph exam going on. Now, a guy from Haryana, and there were 148 students from Haryana who somehow got to know Tamil language. They topped in Tamil Nadu in post and telegraph and the local language.
Okay.
And right now, currently, the probe is being taken by the CBI, and all those 48 are behind the bars. Developed state Tamil Nadu. Bihar is a developing state. I'm telling you, system cannot
No,
be.
but I don't know.
There
I
will be
think
always.
your answer
There will be
is
always loop
that-
and hole in the system. You have to be on the constant endeavor. You have to constantly monitor them,
Okay,
and you have to improve
I
it.
think your message is very clear. We have also MP, Member of Parliament from Bihar, Pappu Yadav joining us. पप्पू जी, आपने सुना क्या कहा जेडीयू के जो स्पोक्स पर्सन है, वो कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि पास परसेंटेजेस क्यों इतने लो हैं? आप उनसे सहमत रखते हैं?
जी नहीं, मेरा नमस्कार स्वीकार करिए। सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बताऊं कि मेरा जो होल एजुकेशन सिस्टम है वो कंप्लीट पूंजीपतियों के हाथ में और प्राइवेट लोगों के हाथ में जा चुका है। वो बड़ा उद्योग से बड़ा 70 लाख हजार करोड़ का लगभग ये एक माफिया हब है। दूसरी बात, उसके बाद प्राइवेट लोगों ने सरकार के जो तरीका था, सरकारी स्कूल के जो तरीके थे वो कंप्लीट, उसका नॉर्म कंप्लीट समझिए कि अब 2% मेरा बजट है भारत का एजुकेशन पर। बिहार के बारे में मैं आपको बहुत ही गंभीरता से बता दूं कि 27 साल लालू यादव जी और नीतीश कुमार दोनों आदमी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं। उसके पहले भी स्थिति बहुत ही चरमरा गई थी, लेकिन चरवाहा विद्यालय के बाद आज तक आप बिहार के बजट को उठा करके देख लीजिएगा, एजुकेशन के बजट को। अब माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी हमारे अपने फेस को बहुत अच्छा रखते हैं, लेकिन उनको बिहार के 12 करोड़ लोगों के फेस की चिंता क्यों नहीं होती है, मुझे इस बात समझ में क्यों हम गाली बने। सबसे बड़ा कारण है कि 7 क्लास में बैठा एक व्यक्ति, आप टीचर, आपने स्कूल में टीचर दे दी, 6,000-3,000 रुपया वाला टीचर आपने दिया, क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी का आपने कोई ख्याल नहीं रखा, और उसके बाद आप उस टीचर को भी आपने मिड डे मील के भोजन में लगा दिया और पोषाहार में लगा दिया।
बट पप्पू जी
में लगा दिया।
नहीं, बट चीटिंग क्यों होता है? क्या आप हमें कोई भी एक्सप्लेन, अजय आलोक जी भी नहीं बता पाए, आप क्या हमें एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं कि व्हाई इज इट दैट देयर इज सो मच चीटिंग एवरी ईयर? दैट्स बिकम कॉमन नाउ।
मैं वही मैं आपको बहुत ही विनम्रता के साथ बताऊंगा कि अभी महाराष्ट्र में भी 85% रिजल्ट ठीक नहीं थे, 76% झारखंड के और अन्य स्टेट में भी झारखंड ने तो पास कर दिया, सबको जितना फेल किया उसको पास कर दिया, लेकिन मेरे यहाँ college will take recently.
Okay.
No faculty, no professor, no classroom, or...
Okay, Papuji, I'm going to interrupt you 1 second. We'll let you expand on that. I just want to go across to the radio jockey here, Shruti. Shruti, we heard the two politicians here, the opposition MP and the spokesperson of the government. As someone who listens to people, as someone who is a representative of young people in Bihar, what did you make of the Chief Minister's explanation of these scams that are taking place constantly?
Hi, सबसे पहले तो a very good evening and
Good evening.
The most important thing कि we don't have to talk about the data over here or like blaming someone or like pointing out कि हाँ क्या दिक्कत है क्या नहीं है. The ultimate reason over here, the ultimate point of discussion is कि the people, the students are suffering and major part पे the problem is कि सिर्फ बोर्ड एग्जाम इज नॉट दी ओनली थिंग दैट द पीपल एक्सपेक्ट कि हाँ यहाँ पे मेरे मार्क्स आएंगे तो अच्छा होगा. अगर आप बोर्ड एग्जाम देने जा रहे हो उसके पहले आप एग्जाम स्कूल में भी देते हो तो स्कूल में किस तरीके से पास कर दिया यार उन स्टूडेंट्स को दैट दे आर नाउ नॉट परफॉर्मिंग एंड नाउ वी आर ब्लेमिंग दैट चीटिंग नहीं हो रही है या फिर चीटिंग हो रही है. दीज ऑल थिंग्स, चीटिंग सबसे पहले तो इट इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ एनी करिकुलम, इट इज ऑलरेडी इलीगल, बट एट द सेम टाइम इफ इट इज हैपनिंग एंड द students are suffering, then this is a big problem that we are talking about. Moreover, the kind of teaching facilities that are seen over here is really
when you hear
different.
only 34 people, that only 36 or 37% students have passed. Does that number surprise you, or did you expect that?
I expected that because last year Ruby Rai's case came up. एंड उसके बाद फिर ऑफ कोर्स चीटिंग पे एक बैन लगाने की टाइप से मुहिम जारी हुई. बट देन उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स इस बार लग रहा था दैट इफ एट ऑल दे आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस फैसिलिटी ऑफ चीटिंग देन ऑफ कोर्स दे विल फ्लंक एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. 37% is something that people are wondering about, but this was very obvious that was going to happen.